Anderson Alley Style here. We are back at Alley House in the kitchen. We just wanted to show you what's been going on. There's so much happening at the house between the HVAC, the air conditioner condensers were placed wrong outside. So we're having those repositioned, and there's so much ductwork and all of the furnace things that have gone on in the attic. But we are focused on the kitchen here. And like we said from the very beginning, this is going to be a DIY on a budget, slim to none budget fixer-upper. So we want to show you what we've done. And I've had some change of hearts too. I have referred to previous videos, even down to the wax for the cabinets. I said that the clear wasn't going to be, very handy for me on this project. Rewind, because I change my mind every 5 minutes. And in fact, I did end up using the clear wax, and I'll tell you about it. But first, let's take a look at the cabinets. What we did on the top was we antiqued them. We used the chalk paint, the chiffon chalk paint, like we talked in the other video, and then we distressed them. But when we got to the bottom, we used the milk paint, the blue, the navy, and that's where the wax is coming in handy. We haven't buffed them, but these have been covered in wax, and when we buff them off, it's going to show more texture on the navy. If you can come real close, I don't know if our lighting will allow it, but there is some different colors in the blue where they're distressed, and when the sunlight hits it, we're losing sunshine right now, but when the sunshine hits it, you can see the different colors and the different layers and textures. The clear wax is amazing on this. I give it a 10, thumbs up. I did go ahead and use the polyurethane, and I always use water-based because I can't breathe. Even with a mask, I would have to have a double rebreather on and then still hold my breath. That's how sensitive I am to polyurethane. So I always use water-based, and I can actually show you what I use. I've used this since my stores on refinishing furniture. It is thebomb.com, y'all. It works great, and you can still breathe. Perfect. All right, so I've changed my mind on several things. We are still going to go ahead and use the brass hardware because it's so... Why are you telling me to stop? Stop.
Battery's going dead.